that PNP Day 2026 award and regional level, we are awarded as Best Senior PCO for Operation, and one of our unit, the Provincial Mobile Force Company, also awarded as this Provincial Mobile Force Company. We are awarded for that for the reason that we have this accomplishment on operational and administrative. So on operational, our campaign against all forms of criminalities. Unang-una dyan, yung ating campaign against illegal drugs, campaign against lost firearms, wanted persons, and among others. So our units that has been awarded for Best Provincial Mobile Force Company, they maintain their mandates, yung campaign on internal security operation, public safety, and support to law enforcement. So yun po yung mga naging criteria to get that award. Our commitment is still 100% po yung ating maintenance ng prison order, public safety, yung pagkumplito ng ating elements of crime for the filing of possibly for murder and Anti-Terrorism Act of 2020 against the perpetrators na identified as DI Mauti Group. Our assurance, we have this all forms of enhanced marine patrol operation. Yung ating patrolling, lahat ng vital installation natin, economic key point, places of convergence, meron po tayong mga PNP. Based sa number of strength naman ng PNP, na kaya natin i-cover na may deployment ng mga personnel. Particularly sa mga events, mga festivities, fiestas, nandyan, may mga planning tayo dyan na dapat ma-secure natin yung mga activities. And to the constituents o sa katauhan diri sa Lanao del Norte, ang inyong PNP kanunay nga gapatrolya, gatrabaho para sa pagmintinar sa peace and order.